Yes, let us get into the next electrical gate 22 problem. Problem number 44. So there are many easy problems in the electrical paper. Okay, so probably a aspirant with the normal preparation also can attempt many problems. Okay, this one is also another example from analog electronics. So then you will understand how easy this problem is to get the answer, and that too for worth of 2 marks. Okay, and it hardly takes even 2 minutes. Okay, to answer the problem. Hardly, I said. That means you don't need 2 minutes also to answer this simple problem. Okay, yes, what is given is we need to comment on I out by I in. So you're converting a current into current. Okay, so like a current amplifier. Okay, I out is the output and I in is the input, we can say shortly. That's your I naught. Let me take. So I'm looking for I naught by I in. So assuming ideal op amp, it is mentioned indirectly by giving A naught infinity. So definitely going to have a virtual short. Okay, and also, but anyway, virtual short is not going to help you, but it is needed still. So that is going to make this point virtual ground, that is equal to 0 volt. So by virtual short, this is virtual ground. And then there is no input terminal currents for the op amp, both inverting and non-inverting. And whatever the current leaving this node should be supplied by this branch, that should be equal to I in. And let me take the impedance offered by this feedback capacitor as 1 by SCF. And here we are going to make a potential drop across this. Okay, what is the drop it is going to create? The drop it creates is going to be as per the current direction plus minus. So let me take this as current as I in. So it's going to be I in into 1 by S into CF. That's a voltage. So that is going to be the output potential V naught. So V naught is equal to I in into 1 by S into CF. Okay, that's your output potential. So let us comment on I naught. That's very instant. I naught is equal to the voltage. This voltage is going to fall across your capacitor connected in the output, that is labeled as CC. Okay, so then I naught is equal to V naught of S divided by shortly V naught divided by the total impedance. What is the impedance in the load? Okay, capacitive load, you can assume that's 1 by S into C into C. Okay, so that's your output impedance. There is impedance of the load. Then I naught is equal to substitute your V naught. It's going to be I in into 1 by S into CF divided by 1 by S into CC. Okay, so then S terms will get cancelled. So this S and S will get cancelled. So then we'll end up with I in into what? CC by CF. We are looking for I naught by I in. I out by I in shortly taken as I naught by I in. That is going to become CC by CF. That's all. Ancient. Okay. So if the current direction reverses, you will get negative. Okay. So it is positive output. So positive current. So the transfer function also going to be positive. So the right answer is CC by CF. So the best possible answer is this. Yes. A very simple problem for 2 marks from analog electronics. Okay.